Clicking on menu links will take you into the page where you can manage your menu. So for this one here, we can see we've got the option of selecting the main menu. We can also create extra custom menus that we might place in a sidebar or footer area. So that's just done by clicking on this plus sign next to the existing menu if you already have a menu in place. So then all you have to do is then, if you've got existing pages or you're using the option for blog posts, then you may have added extra categories. But just working with pages, and also you might have an existing website at, say, www.google.com. Find us here. Add to menu. Now you've also got the option here, you can see, of adding existing pages to your menu. Now going over here, we're going to have a look at how we actually control this menu. We've got the option for drag and drop for our menu. We can also position it as a sub-menu by just moving it in and under the top level menu item you want. Okay, under screen option, under when you expand these, by just clicking on the arrow to the right, you've also got the option of changing your navigation label a bit. So for instance, the demo page here is actually pulled from the page title we set on that individual page, so we might want to not call it demo page, might want to call it something different, so that's where we can change it there. Now this option to open link in a new window or tab is typically used for external websites, because most websites are wider than the width that Facebook allows, and you might use this for opening your website in a new window or tab. So it's great to have people interacting with you on Facebook, but your website is probably going to be where you have most control. It's people recognise the website's where you're going to do your sales. So Facebook can be kept for more the social side of things, whereas your website's kept for sales. So if you're adding a link to your website, then we would then click this option to open the link in a new window or tab. So I'll just save that menu now. Okay, so I've loaded the page again in Facebook, and now you can see that we've got a sub-menu. Looking at this, we now know that, okay, we need to expand the width of our sub-menus, so that can be done in theme options under main navigation. So if I click on that, we'll see that it actually opens up Google in a new tab.